Hello, my name is Josh, and welcome to another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I will be showing you how to set a custom desktop background on your Windows or PC device. So here we are on our computer. We need to find the file that we want to set as our background. So we're going to open the File Explorer, and then we are going to navigate to where the image is stored. So I'm going to Pictures, and here it is. So you're going to want to right-click the image, and then click Set as Desktop Background. After a moment, you should see the background on your desktop change. If you want to change it again, you can always find another photo and do the same exact thing. Right-click the image, and click Set as Desktop Background. The best size for the image is something that is wider than it is tall, and it should show up properly on the screen. And there you go. Hopefully you were able to follow along easily. If it was too fast or too slow, please let us know. And if you need more personalized support, you can fill out a flyer with your name on it, and we will give you a call back. You can watch these videos at your own pace by visiting our website, SFTFS.org, and you can click the Visit Our YouTube button on the top of the page. Thank you for watching. We will see you next week.
So for the tech for seniors.